us. We are protection from exploitation, trafficking and abuse. We are opportunity through education, training or small loans that boost family livelihoods. You can see us in a sip of safe, clean water. You can see us in a plentiful harvest or a thriving business. You can see us in a child's smile.
We will not be silent witnesses to oppression.
We will not be idle while there is injustice.
We will not rest while children suffer.
We are faith. Our Christian faith teaches us that every newborn child is a precious gift from God, and that their well-being and their future concerns us all. We are hope. We embrace what some believe to be impossible challenges and empower communities to overcome them. We are joy. Our joy is the joy of others who see their hopes and dreams fulfilled.
We are 50,000.
We are 50,000 passionate staff and volunteers who have dedicated their skills and experience to helping others.
We are 10 million.
We are 10 million committed supporters who know that we are making a real and lasting change in children's lives.
We are 100 million.
We are 100 million people in towns, villages and cities throughout the world, working hard every day to build a better life for our children. We are one, a global community of people committed to improving the lives and futures of the world's most vulnerable boys and girls. We are World Vision.
For children.
For change.
For life.
چقدر لذت بردیم. من که خیلی انجوی کردم ویدیو رو. I just wanted to thank you for being with us tonight. I wanted to thank Abby. I wanted to thank Shadmer. I wanted to thank World Vision, not only for sponsoring the show and the tour, بلکه برای اینکه یک کاری میکنن که واقعا کارستونه. دیدید که داشت توش توضیح میداد. الان حدود چند صد کشور رو اینا دارن هندل میکنن. بچه‌هایی که واقعا احتیاج به کمک دارن، بچه‌هایی که بی سرپرستن، بچه‌هایی که زیر سوشال انجاستیس هستن و فقر، نه فقر معمولی، فقری که باعث بدبختیشون میشه، فقری که باعث میشه آینده این کره شاید معلوم نباشه به کجا برسه. سپاسگزارم یک بار دیگه از شما. مرسی از تمام دست‌اندرکاران برنامه. شما با این بچه‌ها چه خواهید کرد؟ منتظر کمک شما هستن، منتظر نگاهتون و منتظر سخاوتمندیتون.
فیزیوتراپی مایا با مدیریت محسن رفیعیان و معصومه قاسمی. ما با فراهم آوردن بهترین کادر و امکانات درمانی